Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video I am going to demonstrate a PowerShell script that will allow us to import a search engine into Chrome browser. So here I have opened the Chrome search engines in settings, and you can change the default search engine, and by default it's going to be Google. So now here we have options to remove a search engine, but we don't have option to add a search engine, and we cannot delete the default one. You can see we can delete others, but we don't have option to add search engine, and this one is different than search engines. So to achieve that, let's say you want to have a custom search engine added to your Chrome, then you will have to do it the programmatic way, as I call it. So here I created a PowerShell script, and as I noticed, they are storing the browser settings related information, including the search engines that user is using inside the web data SQLite file, or they are using the SQLite database to store these information. So and now here we have created a query for that, and let's say this is the search engine that we want to add as a custom search engine that we are going to be adding to this Chrome browser. So the goal of this project is to add a custom search engine to the Chrome browser, and this can be customized to any other browser as well. But first you will have to take a look at the SQLite database they are using, and the structure of the database. So for that you can customize the query that we are inserting right here. And in order to use this project, I'm using PS SQLite package. You can install that from GitHub as well. So if we look at the search engines, we don't have this search engine as the current listing, right? So we can add that using the using this script. And if you look at the Edge browser, we have option to add custom search engine directly, and we have that option available. So for Chrome, we don't have that option, and that is one of the reasons that we want to automate that. So let's give it a try. So since we don't have that search engine right here, and let's say I am going to execute this script.ps1 file, and in order to make that work, you will have to close the browser, because the file it's accessing, which is a web data SQLite database file, it is already held by the it's going to be held by this browser, so we can't use it. So I closed that, and I executed the script. You can see it's executed successfully, and now if we take a look at this again, you can see that we have the search engine added, and I made it a default as well. So let's just something, let's say food, and there is our custom search engine that we added and made it default manually, is now used to search our servers. The name is Ecosia, if I pronounce it correctly, but that is how the script is going to work. Now the question is, why can't I make it by like the default directly from the script? So we can remove it if you want. So the thing is, I have tried that, but I didn't got success in that. Maybe it was taking too long for me. So I leave that the homework from you guys if you want to give it a try and have a contribution to this project. The link will be available in the description if you want to have a take a look or use it or customize it for your needs. So the way this works is we have some JSON files. You can see secure preferences and preferences. So they are storing those information in these files, but the thing is, this secure preferences file are using some hashing SHA-256 and creating some hash for the default search engine, and that is where I got stuck, and I didn't figure out how they were creating those hashes so that can be used to make these a default. So the variables are defined right here, and at the end we are creating the main version of them. So if you read those files, the paths are given for your profile. These going to be like minimized versions of the JSON files. Both of them are the JSON files. So at the end we are going to do like the minimization again, creating a main version. of those JSON files. So it's gonna like store those variables again, but it didn't work somehow. And that is add. So what we have here is a PowerShell script that allows you to add a custom search engine to a Chrome, and you can test this on any other browser if you want to try it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and link to this will be given in the description below. Thank you.